Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a great rock song from the 80s called I'm No Angel. It was written by Tony Colton and another gentleman named Phil Palmer. Of course made famous by Southern rockers, the Gregg Allman Band. I'm No Angel peaked at #1 on the Billboard album rock charts in 1987. So, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button as I try to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my tutorials and covers, you might actually like my original music as well that can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So, we'll take a close look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great rock song from the 80s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, to get all the way through I'm No Angel, you're going to need to know 5 basic chords. Before I show you those chords, however, take a quick note that I use a capo on the 2nd fret. If you want to play along with me, or actually play along with the album itself, using the chords I'm about to show you, you need to place your capo there. Let's get to these chords. The first one is an A major. You're going to need to know a G chord. There's a D. There's an E major. And finally, there's one bar chord. It's a B minor bar chord. That's it. Those 5 chords are going to get you all the way through this great rock song. Let's get to the cover.
On my cheeks, and I'm half crazy. Come on and love me, baby. So you found me hard to handle, but easier to hold. So you're like my Spurs jingle, never leave you cold. So I might steal your diamonds, but bring you back some gold. I'm no angel. No, no, no. I'm no angel. No, no, no. Lord, I'm no angel. No, I'm no stranger to the dark. Let me rock your cradle. Let me start a fire with your spark. Oh, come on, baby. Let me show you my tattoo. Let me drive you crazy. Come on, love me, baby. So you don't give a damn about me. Never treated you bad. I won't ever lift a hand to hurt you. Always leave you glad. I might steal your diamonds, but bring you back some gold. I'm no angel.
Okay, let's get to the chord progression of this great song. I'm going to break this down into 3 parts for you. We'll have a look at the verse first, then we'll have a look at the pre-chorus and the chorus, and then finally we'll have a closer look at that opening intro. So let's get to the verse. The song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go.
I'm no stranger to the street. Got my label, so I won't crumble at your feet.
And that's basically it. It just basically repeats that over and over again through the verses. Let's have a closer look at the pre-chorus and chorus. Okay, the pre-chorus in the chorus. A little bit more complicated to play than the verse, and it'll probably require a bit more practice to get down perfectly. But I know you can do it once you've got her down. Let's have a closer look. The pre-chorus and chorus basically start on the E major chord. Here we go.
So you think I'm hard to handle? Well, I'm easier to hold. So you like my spurs that jingle, never leave you cold. I might steal your diamonds, but I'll bring you back some gold. I'm no angel.
And that's it. Okay, that opening riff. It basically starts on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. Keeping in mind, of course, I'm using a capo here, okay? So, 3rd string, 4th fret. Down to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Repeat that again. And then to the open 3rd string. Should sound like this. That's it. Then you go to the 4th string, 4th fret, down to the 2nd fret, 4th string, open 4th string. And you repeat that. So it should sound like this. That's it. Very, very easy. Practice that a few times. I know you'll get her down. So there you have it. I'm No Angel, performed by the Gregg Allman Band. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.